Hello everyone, how are you doing? Nat here and welcome back with another quick tutorial. In today's I'm gonna show how to fix not sound in Google Chrome definitive solution. The first step is open up your Google Chrome in your desktop icon or search for in the start menu Google Chrome app and go to 3 points and select settings. In the left side select privacy and security. In the right side scroll down and select site settings, one click, and scroll down and select additional content settings and scroll down and select sound tab, one click, and in this section mark this option sites can play sound and change this option. And to apply the change, restart your Google Chrome, click on close and open it up. Thanks for watching, don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.